How did Jim Crow laws affect interracial marriage? How did Jim Crow laws affect interracial marriage? This question takes us back to a time when racial segregation was enforced in the United States, particularly in the South. After the American Civil War, Jim Crow laws emerged to maintain racial separation and limit the rights of African Americans. One of the most significant impacts of these laws was on interracial marriage. Jim Crow laws included specific regulations known as anti-miscegenation laws. These laws prohibited marriages between individuals of different races, especially between white individuals and those of African, Asian, or Native American descent. The belief behind these laws was that racial purity was essential, and mixing races would lead to societal decline. Each state had its own version of these laws. Some states implemented the one-drop rule, which classified anyone with even a trace of African ancestry as black. This meant that even a small amount of African heritage could prevent a person from marrying a white individual. The penalties for violating these laws were severe, often resulting in imprisonment for those who dared to marry across racial lines. The social implications of these laws were equally harsh. Interracial couples faced not only legal consequences, but also social ostracism. Many people viewed these relationships as unacceptable, leading to hostility and violence against interracial couples. This created an environment where love between individuals of different races was not only discouraged but often dangerous. The legacy of slavery and racial inequality played a significant role in shaping these laws. After the Civil War, the United States struggled with the aftermath of slavery. Jim Crow laws were a way to reinforce racial divisions and maintain white supremacy. They sought to ensure that African Americans remained in a subordinate position in society. However, the tide began to change with the landmark case of Lovingv v. Virginia in 1967. This Supreme Court decision ruled that anti-miscegenation laws were unconstitutional. The ruling effectively ended the legal barriers to interracial marriage across the nation. It was a significant step toward dismantling the legacy of Jim Crow laws and promoting racial equality. In summary, Jim Crow laws had a profound impact on interracial marriage, enforcing strict prohibitions and fostering a culture of fear and discrimination. The eventual repeal of these laws marked a crucial moment in the fight for civil rights and equality in the United States.